Good afternoon, Judy Steffes broadcasting live out here in neighboring Ozaukee County, Fredonia. We're going to do a live broadcast with Tom Schwei as we head into St. Patrick's Day, and we're actually next door at Big Joe's Java Express. You see anything? First pulled in and went and talked to the manager about how strong the wind is, and she said 3 o'clock in the morning that their flagpole here snapped in half. So we'll give you a quick look. Shook the building, actually. Nobody was inside. About 50 to 60 feet high. They had a flag at the end of it. The manager came in, or the owner came in about an hour later. Took him about an hour to get that down. But we'll take a close look at this. How thick that is. And yeah, the wind just snapped that right in half. There was a wind advisory. I think it was Sheboygan and Fond du Lac. Sheboygan's must have just ended around 3 o'clock. But very strong winds today. Snapping this flagpole in half here at Big Joe's next to Schwei's in Fredonia. Right by the mobile station. We're up on the hill here. This live broadcast is brought to you by American Commercial Real Estate.